my name is Shannon Nicole, and I'm here with Quad Magazine, and I'm doing a photo shoot, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, you better show us here now.
No use crying over spilled milk. I bring her flowers and we watch them wilt. Naturally built, there's nothing store-bought. I don't think of folks for what she's got. Sex oozes from her every pore. So many butterflies, my guts are sore. And even before she opens up her mouth, I know what it is that she's thinking about. She fits like a glove, she's as pure as a dove. She's sent from above, she's all I think of. She's lovely, la 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 la. She's all I think of. She's lovely, la 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 la. She's gorgeous, she goes against the grain. Extravaganza tastes like sugar cane. We got big plans, whatever she chooses. Fly to Hawaii, maybe some cruises. I'll explain it's plain and simple. She's like a cherry in a Shirley temple. She's the prize at the bottom of the glass. Her eyes, the way she shakes that ass. She fits like a glove, she's as pure as a dove. She's sent from above, she's all I think of. She's lovely, la 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 la. She's all I think of. She's lovely, la 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 lovely. She fits like a glove, she's as pure as a dove. She's sent from above, she's all I think of.
She'll make the sun come up and the moon go down. She's the one that make my world go round. Body like an hourglass, she'll make time stop just to make the night last. She's the one that knows my secret spot. She'll make the coldest nights feel so hot. She ain't into material things, but she's the one that show me what lovely means.
She's lovely.